we are going to be doing the White Sands Lighthouse and, of course, shopping excursion today. So hopefully we have a little bit more White Sands and Lighthouse than we do shopping. Hopefully that rainbow is a good sign that we're going to have a great day. We have made it to Gibbs Hill Lighthouse. Where I'm about to stand is what was Queen Elizabeth's favorite view out here. So if you didn't know, Bermuda is actually a British territory. So, but it's a nice view. I can see why she likes it. Minus all the cables, but let's check it out. If you look, I'll flip it back around and I'll put it straight at the ship. But it's cloudy because it's raining. But you can actually see the ship. We're right across the bay from it. Well, it's on to our next stop, the Gibbs Hill Lighthouse. Pretty cool. They do have bathrooms here, and for $2.50, you can go all the way up there. But you got fantastic views, very nice. I'd love to come out here when it's not raining because I can just assume how beautiful the water will be, mixed up with this lush green vegetation. It's pretty cool. So on to our next stop. So we just got dropped off for our next part of this trip, and that is shopping. So my goal is to have Heejin have nothing in both hands, maybe just one hand.
It's okay,
So
I got a bag.
we'll see. But there is a Bermuda shop or Bermuda sign right over here, so you can get a picture. So we'll go do that. Public restrooms are right over here, and we'll see what we got. So we're inside Brown and Company. Brown and Company is like Bermuda's version of Macy's, is how it's explained to us. So it's multi-tiered. So you can come in on the back side, the front side. There's upstairs, there's downstairs. There's all kinds of stuff here. So this excursion had us get ready at 6:50 to depart at 7:15. So we're in Hamilton, and the majority of the stores aren't even open yet. So we're just basically turning this into a Hamilton walking tour. We're here for an hour. Hamilton's not that big. We've already covered about half of it in 16 minutes. And also, if you're wondering what my shirt says, it says emotional support husband, do not pet. And then my hat, OSHA violator. So if you're not having fun, you're not on vacation. Some of these buildings here, they date back into the 1600s. And I was talking to a local, and he said they don't really have problems with hurricanes here. They'll get 2 a year, but the way the buildings are designed, they're all built out of concrete, and they make the roofs wavy, which helps break the winds up, and so you don't really have any real issues with hurricanes. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Well, that completes our time on that 1 hour we had here in Hamilton. And I scored because we only bought one thing. Thankfully, only 2 stores were open. Not bad, 50%. If you happen to be staying here and you get a rental car, they do have a car park here, right here in Hamilton. Now, it's called the #1 car park. And the hours of operation are from 8 a.m. to 1800 Monday through Saturday. The first 10 minutes is free, up to an hour is $2, $4 for 2 hours, $6 for 3 hours, $16 for 4 hours, $81 for 4 or more hours. And if you lose your ticket, it's a flat rate of $75. So you may want to be cognizant of your time. If you park in here, I would say your best bet is after right before 3 hours, pull out, circle back in, get a new ticket, because then you can get 6 hours for $12 versus 4 hours for $16. So our next stop is on Jacob's Cove. Now, our driver was saying that we're going to go to a couple extra beaches that others aren't going to really go to. So it's going to be hit and miss. So you may or may not come here. It's really rough water today because of the storms, but so beautiful. So beautiful. We've now made it to Horseshoe Bay, where we can go see the pink sand beach. So we'll be here for 10 minutes. So if you are looking to hang out at the beach and get into the water, this excursion is not for you. awesome of a view is this. You can definitely come out here for hours. So if this is what you're looking for, do not book the pink sand, white, or lighthouse shopping excursion. Because you're gonna spend an hour shopping, but you spent 10 minutes at 2 beaches. No bueno. If you're looking for shopping, our driver told us that Hamilton's not really known for shopping anymore. The cruise ships used to go into the port there, but now they're so big they had to go to where we're at. And so all the shops, touristy shops, everything like that moved over to the Clock Tower Mall. So it really makes this excursion pointless. It should just be the pink sand beach and lighthouse, right? So live and learn. That's why you're watching this video.